This is a tutorial on how to use your timesheet app or QuickBooks Timesheet app. So the app itself looks like this right here. Click on that. It'll take you to this screen, or it may take you to your overview screen. This is basically used for clocking in, switching your locations, and clocking out. So once you arrive at your first stop, that's when you'll clock in for the day. You'll choose the customer that you're at. This is GPS located. So what will happen is the device will locate where you are. It will give some recommendations on the dealerships that are surrounding you. You select that dealership and then you add your note. So, servicing the dealership or whatnot, you add your note in there. Once you add your note, you clock in. The next step that you would use this for is for switching. So let's say I'm leaving this dealership, this location where I am, and I'm heading to the next location. You will do switch. You will do driving to location. Oh, I only clocked in for a few seconds, so it won't let me do it. So once that timer goes up a little bit, then we could switch. But we're going to switch. I'm going to choose my other location, so I'm going to do driving to location, and that's it. That's as far as switching. Once you get to your next location, you're going to switch to your next location. You're going to hit switch again, and then you'll choose the dealership that you're at. So I'm going to choose Cardata Pompano office. Type your note if you're servicing the dealership or whatnot, and then at the end of the day, at your last dealership, what you're going to do is you're going to clock out, and that's down here. And that's it. That's how to use your timesheet app.